In the ever-evolving landscape of content creation, YouTube automation has become a game-changer for many creators looking to streamline their processes and maximize their reach. One tool that has been making waves in this arena is Sora AI. But what exactly is Sora AI, and can it truly be considered the best AI tool for YouTube automation? In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and functionalities of Sora AI, exploring how it can enhance your YouTube experience. Sora AI is designed to assist content creators by automating various tasks, from video editing to optimizing titles and descriptions for better search visibility. Its relevance to YouTube automation lies in its ability to save time and effort, allowing creators to focus more on their content and less on the technicalities. As we navigate through this topic, we aim to keep the conversation engaging and informative, ensuring that you walk away with a clear understanding of whether Sora AI is the right fit for your needs. Choosing the right AI tool is crucial for content creators, as it can significantly impact productivity and the overall quality of your channel. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, stay tuned as we uncover the potential of Sora AI and how it might just be the solution you've been searching for in your YouTube journey. Sora AI is an innovative artificial intelligence tool specifically designed to enhance the YouTube automation experience for content creators. Its primary purpose is to streamline various aspects of video production, from ideation to post-publishing optimization. By leveraging advanced algorithms, Sora AI helps creators save time and improve the quality of their content, making it an invaluable asset in the competitive world of YouTube. One of the standout features of Sora AI is its ability to analyze trending topics and suggest content ideas that resonate with your target audience. This ensures that creators are always in tune with what viewers are searching for, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Additionally, Sora AI offers automated video editing capabilities, allowing users to quickly compile clips, add effects, and even generate captions, all while maintaining a professional finish. Moreover, Sora AI excels in optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags based on search engine optimization (SEO) best practices. This feature helps content creators improve their visibility on the platform, attracting more traffic to their videos. For instance, a gaming channel can use Sora AI to identify popular keywords related to a new game release, ensuring their content reaches the right audience. In summary, Sora AI is a powerful tool that not only simplifies the content creation process, but also enhances the overall effectiveness of YouTube channels, making it a must-have for creators looking to elevate their game. Utilizing Sora AI for YouTube automation comes with a plethora of advantages that can significantly enhance a creator's workflow. One of the most notable benefits is the time-saving aspect. By automating repetitive tasks such as video editing, captioning, and SEO optimization, Sora AI allows creators to focus on what they do best, creating engaging content. This efficiency not only streamlines the production process, but also frees up valuable time for brainstorming new ideas and interacting with the audience. Another key advantage of Sora AI is its ability to enhance video quality and viewer engagement. With features that analyze audience preferences and trending topics, Sora AI helps creators tailor their content to meet viewer demands. This targeted approach can lead to higher engagement rates, as videos are more likely to resonate with the audience. Additionally, the automated editing tools ensure that videos maintain a professional standard, which is crucial for attracting and retaining subscribers. User testimonials highlight the transformative impact of Sora AI on content creation. Many creators have reported significant growth in their channel metrics after incorporating Sora AI into their workflow. For instance, a lifestyle vlogger shared that they experienced a 30% increase in viewer retention after using Sora AI to optimize their video titles and descriptions. Such success stories underscore the effectiveness of Sora AI in helping creators not only save time, but also elevate the quality of their content, ultimately leading to a more successful YouTube channel. When it comes to YouTube automation, Sora AI is not the only player in the game. Other popular tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ also offer valuable features for content creators. Each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses, making it essential for creators to choose the one that best fits their needs. Sora AI stands out with its comprehensive automation capabilities, including advanced video editing and content optimization features. Its ability to analyze trending topics and suggest relevant content ideas is particularly beneficial for creators looking to stay ahead of the curve. However, some users may find that Sora AI's interface can be less intuitive compared to its competitors. On the other hand, TubeBuddy is well known for its robust keyword research and SEO tools. It provides detailed analytics and insights that help creators optimize their videos for better visibility. While TubeBuddy excels in these areas, it may lack the same level of automation and video editing that Sora AI offers, requiring users to spend more time on manual tasks. vidIQ, similar to TubeBuddy, focuses heavily on analytics and performance tracking. It provides real-time data on video performance and audience engagement. However, like TubeBuddy, it may not offer the same depth of automation features as Sora AI. In summary, while Sora AI offers a unique blend of automation and content optimization, TubeBuddy and vidIQ provide strong analytics and SEO tools. By weighing the strengths and weaknesses of each, creators can make informed decisions that align with their specific goals and workflows. User experiences and feedback regarding Sora AI provide valuable insights into its effectiveness and usability for YouTube automation. Many creators who have implemented Sora AI into their workflows report a significant improvement in their content production process. Users often praise the tool for its intuitive interface and the seamless integration of various automation features. For instance, creators appreciate how Sora AI simplifies video editing and content optimization, allowing them to produce high-quality videos in less time. However, like any tool, Sora AI is not without its criticisms. Some users have noted that while the automation features are impressive, there can be a learning curve when first getting accustomed to the platform. A few creators have also mentioned that certain advanced features may require additional tweaking to achieve the desired results. This feedback highlights the importance of investing time in understanding the tool to maximize its potential. Overall, the community's feedback on Sora AI is largely positive, with many users emphasizing the time-saving benefits and enhanced video quality. As you consider whether Sora AI is the right fit for your YouTube automation needs, it's essential to take user feedback into account. By understanding both the praises and criticisms from fellow creators, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with your content creation goals. Engaging with user experiences can provide a clearer picture of how Sora AI might fit into your unique workflow. In summary, Sora AI emerges as a powerful tool for YouTube automation, offering a range of features designed to enhance the content creation process. From its advanced video editing capabilities to its ability to optimize titles, descriptions, and tags, Sora AI streamlines various tasks that can often be time-consuming for creators. The tool's focus on analyzing trending topics and audience preferences ensures that users can produce content that resonates with viewers, ultimately boosting engagement and channel growth. The benefits of using Sora AI are clear. It saves time, improves video quality, and allows creators to focus on what they do best, creating compelling content. While some users have noted a learning curve and the need for initial adjustments, the overall feedback highlights its effectiveness in transforming the YouTube experience for many creators. If you're looking to elevate your YouTube channel and simplify your workflow, exploring Sora AI could be a game changer for your automation needs. With its unique blend of features, Sora AI has the potential to help you achieve your content goals more efficiently. Please look at this video's description for AI tools and courses to help you on your journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow creators. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers you on your YouTube journey. Stay tuned for more insights and tips.